Hey pilots, welcome to Sporties. I'm Russell and today we have another product pirate video. We're outside on the ramp using the new Flight Gear Chockmate tie-down kit. Us pilots here at Sporties are fortunate to have secure anchor points and tie-down ropes ready whenever we land. But when we're traveling to Sun and Fun, AirVenture, and our other favorite flying destinations, we don't always have that luxury. That's exactly why we created the Chockmate tie-down kit, a solution designed for pilots on the move. This complete kit has everything you need for a worry-free trip. Inside, you'll find 3 robust anchor chocks for stability, 12 heavy-duty nails for securing the anchors on soft terrain, 3 12-foot sections of bright orange reflective rope, a dual-purpose hammer with specialty forks for quick nail removal, and a rugged canvas tool bag to keep it all organized and portable. Let's walk through how to use your Chockmate tie-down kit step by step. Place each chock 4 to 8 feet away from your aircraft's tie-down points, the wings and the tail. For the wings, aim for 40 to 60 degree angle from the tie-down points and position the rear chock directly behind the tail. Ensure the 4-hole side of each chock faces away from your aircraft. Now hammer in 4 13-inch nails through the small 1/2-inch holes on that side. If your tie-down points require the chock directly underneath your aircraft, simply nail 2 holes on the 4-hole side and 2 on the 2-hole side. Attach the rubberized hook on your tie-down rope to the anchor chock using the 2 1-inch holes on each side of the chock. Secure your ropes to your aircraft's tie-down points using your favorite aviation knot for a snug, secure hold. Removal is just as simple. Use the included hammer to easily extract the nails. Then pack up all chocks, nails, and ropes neatly into the carrying case, ready for your next flight. Pro tip, your anchor chocks double as wheel chocks in a pinch. This kit was designed to be compatible with the Flight Gear pull-down tie-down set or the Flight Gear all-weather tie-down straps. You can get the pilot-tested and approved Chockmate tie-down kit for around $100. Thanks for joining us for another one of our product pirate videos. You can find this and other products at sporties.com.